Hey guys! Welcome back to AllysiuTV. So for today, I'm going to vlog my eyelash extension experience. So actually, ilang beses ko na ito na-try. Siguro mga twice or thrice na. Tapos, laging bad experience kasi parang ang bigat. Although, nakaka-fresh talaga siya. Pero mahilig kasi ako mag-rub ng eyes. So every time nag-rub ako, natatanggal yung totoong eyelashes ko. So, for today, I'm going to FLOEN Pamper Studio. So, I just want to check it out. So, yeah, I'm so excited to try it! And then, I'll bring you guys, i-shoot ko yung procedure, kung gaano katagal, how much, and stuff like that. So, let's go! Say hi! Hi, Chris! So, siya yung gagawa ng eyelashes ko. Pero, on call siya dito. Kaya, kasi napaka-in-demand niya. So, look for Chris. Okay, this is the final outcome after 1.5 hours. So, yan. Ganda. Sobrang gaan niya. Tapos, ang kapal. Parang wala lang. Mas magaan pa siya sa falsies. So, gaan pa siya sa falsies. Bongga. Okay, so as of now, ayan, feel ko siya. Parang super gaan niya. As in, compared sa mga before kong na-try. I super love this. By the way, ang nilagay dito is 10 to 11 mm. Kasi medyo, nahabaan ako dun. Usually, mga 12 kapag gusto yung super glam. Kaso parang feel ko pag nag-shades ako, parang tatama na siya. Tapos masyado na siyang mahaba. Kaya parang ito, medyo natural na glam pa rin. So, it's so cute. So, mababawasan yung time mo to fix up. So, kunyari, pag nagmamadali ka, diretso ka na sa foundation, blush. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-mascara. So, ang aftercare nito, bawal siya basain for 5 hours. And then, ayun, mga eyeliner, basa kasi hindi waterproof, no mascara na rin. So, these are their rates. Okay, so meron daw silang Independence Day sale until the end of June. So, from 1/8, 1/2 na lang yung bloom eyelashes nila. So, check it out, guys! So, this is Maiya! Do you remember her? From Bali. I know, no. Boracay trip pala. Hey. So, she's the manager here. Show them your nails. No. She's the manager here. She stays here the whole time. Okay, so anyway, sobrang sulit na nito and I love it so much. I will put all the details below in the description box so you can check them out. So thank you so much guys for watching. Comment down below what you think and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!